It may sound, very impressive, but what is the reality behind it? I drilled it down. I drilled it down further, 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 further. Let me quickly explain once again. With this disappointment from this.
Many of you have the high energy, raise your hand, guys.
Hi everyone. I have come today, with very interesting topic. Do you really need more or not? Be very honest, because very few people are honest about it. They say that they have enough and they don't need it. Why I'm sharing this with you? Because today I was in a one-on-one session with one of my student, and where she was telling me, Gaurav, I don't feel like having more, and because I am self-sufficient, I don't feel good for asking to have more. It may sound, very impressive, but what is the reality behind it? I drilled it down. I drilled it down further, 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 further. Let me quickly explain once again. हुआ यूं कि आज एक वन ऑन वन कॉल में एक स्टूडेंट के साथ बैठना हुआ था, और वो कह रही थी कि सर मुझे ना ज़्यादा की ज़रूरत नहीं है, मैं खुश हूँ जितने में हूँ उतने में बहुत ही खुश हूँ, और मुझे लगता है कि मांगना भी क्यों है, मतलब जो मेरे राइट्स के भी चीज़ें हैं तो मैं क्यों मांगूँ भला। सुनने में तो बड़ा ही रोचक लगता है, बहुत ही शाबाशी युक्त लगता है, बट रियलिटी क्या है? रियलिटी क्या है? इसके पीछे चेक पॉइंट क्या है? फिर जब उनसे बातें हो रही थी, आई कंटिन्यू टू आस्क व्हाट इज़ योर बिगर गोल, व्हाट इज़ योर बिगर गोल। इनिशियली शी वॉज डिनाइंग आई डोंट नीड मोर, बट व्हेन आई आस्क्ड व्हाट इज़ योर बिगर गोल, शी सेड कि सर मुझे ना बहुतों की हेल्प करनी है, आई रियली वॉन्ट टू सर्व सो मेनी पीपल. So I really checked again and said, "Are you serious? Are you truth with means? Are you talking truth with yourself?" She said, "I'm totally honest. I'm sharing this honestly with you." I asked once again, "Can you check this with your own self, closing your eyes? That are you not telling a lie to me?" And she said, "Not at all. I'm very much happy with whatever I have, and I don't really need more." Then I asked her what is her goal, and she said that I want to really help, all over the world to so many people. And then I asked further, really, if you want to help more, are you self-sufficient to help everyone on this planet, to help them to become a better version of themselves? So do you have sufficient money? She said, "I don't have, but I know on this mission many people will come and they will help me." What if, and I'm sure that this lady, this student, each one of you have a wonderful heart, you want to help so many people, but how long you can help? To help others as well, you need to be helped, okay, economically, every single day, every single time, right? And for that you need to ask. If you are feeling ashamed of asking, you don't have a bigger vision or bigger goal. I feel so much, so much great when I ask for something, because I know I'm not asking for myself. I'm just a medium, and I would be channelizing those economical help to those people for whom I am on this mission to help them. And then I asked this lady, the student of mine, is it making some sense to you? Then she said yes. Then again I asked, if it is making some sense to you, will you be feeling sufficient with the tiny amount of economical help, or do you need more out of it? If you need more out of it, then you will have to ask more for it. So are you going to ask more tomorrow about it? And she was completely surprised that she felt like a complete power within, and she said that this is something, a new shift, and I must go ahead and keep on asking for more. Earlier I was a bit hesitant, but with this new insight, I think I'm getting a foolproof power. You will remain hesitant in asking if you don't have a bigger goal, but if you are on a path to serve someone else, you will get instead a power to ask for more, because someone out there is waiting for you. And with those people who has a heart to help, you know that world is waiting for you, my dear friend. And I'm so much fortunate and so much feel rich within that I'm connected with so much fantastic people who has got such golden heart. To my surprise, whoever came in my contact, and I came in, whoever are connected with me, they have this helping heart, but they somewhere don't feel like maximizing the help. And that's why I felt like sharing this after coming live. Where I was yesterday, why did not I come yesterday? I did not come yesterday because body was so much exhausted and so much was in pain, and I thought that it needs some rest, so was giving it rest, was pampering my body. And today I'm in service, and I thought that every element of mine, every act of mine is just like a service, and it is quite good and nice thing to bring the sharing and of my students and share over here on this platform. You don't never know who is waiting for it, okay, who will listen to it. You never know who may get impacted by this. So this is very phenomenal thing, and I deciphered the process out of it. Asking yourself a right question will give you the right direction to do the right work, and even if you feel like that you are not doing the right work, by adding the insight to it will give you power to do the things right way. Are you able to connect with me? At any point of time you feel like, after listening to it, this was really great discussion, conversation with so many people, and it is always wise to continue it. Please drop some heart, and I will continue to be filled, continue to feel like getting pumped up to share all those elements what I am learning through the discussion. Because for me every day is a new learning, for me every day is a new insight, every day is a new energy, new pulling energy to give something out, okay. And any giving does not happen without any exchange. Few people may think that a person should be a giver without any exchange. So give, but on exchange of what should be the question, okay. So how you are giving? Are you giving it just because transaction is the spiritual phenomenon? Okay, transaction is a spiritual phenomenon, whether it happens between carbon dioxide or oxygen, whether it happens between human and plant, whether it happens with sunlight or between plants, trees and jungle. Every time exchange is going on, but without giving there is no coming. So you continue to give so that you continue to receive. The more powerfully you give, the more powerfully you receive, okay. So, and you are assured enough that you are going to receive as well from somewhere. So this is all about it. So I'm so much glad that I could share this with you all. Thank you so much for listening and putting some heart and comment. I was waiting for some questions over here and felt like sharing over here. It was really great, and gives me a juicy happiness to share this all with you. Thank you so much. Love, light, blessings. And you were listening to Kumar Gaurav, Business Abundance Coach, on your service, in your service. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Love, light, blessing once again.